fossil fuels and emit greenhouse gases, solar-powered cars produce zero tailpipe emissions. That's right. They're an eco-friendly alternative that helps to reduce our carbon footprint and combat climate change. But the benefits don't stop there. Solar energy is a renewable source, meaning it's not going to run out anytime soon. We have around 5 billion years until the sun burns out. So in the grand scheme of things, we could say it's pretty much unlimited. This makes solar-powered cars a sustainable solution for our transportation needs. And the best part? The sun's energy is absolutely free. So not only are you driving a car that's kind to the environment, you're also saving on fuel costs. It's a win-win situation. So there you have it. Solar-powered cars in a nutshell. They're more than just a concept, they're a reality. And they're paving the way for a cleaner, greener future. It's as simple as it sounds, harnessing the power of the sun to drive us forward. Solar energy is not just a sci-fi concept. It's a real, viable solution to many of our energy concerns. Just imagine an endless, renewable source of power pouring down on us every single day. It's not just about powering cars, although that's pretty incredible in itself. The potential of solar energy goes far beyond that. Solar power can light up our homes, heat our water, and even cook our food. It's the answer to reducing our reliance on non-renewable energy sources that are causing harm to our planet. And with advancements in technology, harnessing this abundant energy source is becoming more efficient and affordable than ever. Think about it. A world where the energy we use doesn't contribute to climate change, doesn't pollute our air, and doesn't drain our planet's resources. That's the promise of solar energy. A more sustainable, cleaner, and greener future is within our reach. The future of transportation is bright and it's powered by the sun. So are you ready to hop on board?